Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
As an average, every day I am getting more than 11,000 passengers arrival and departure. On weekends, that number goes more than 13,000. 45 flights, 49 flights are operating. Except Tuesday I have got 36, 38 flights. So when we resumed the operations, we have come a long way. And it was my strong belief since beginning that Goa is a state which is going to stand fast on its legs. And this airport has contributed into it. We are open. We have been open. We are open. We have received requests for 9 more flights. We have approved that. Assessment is that let's by 15th of December or so, we may surpass it. You see, basically what happens is you can't keep people hold into houses for a very, very long time. As far as Goa is concerned, जो एयर इंडिया की फ्लाइट एयर बबल में ऑपरेट कर रही थी वो ऑपरेट कर रही हैं. They are continuing with that. And as far as the international scenario is concerned, see, these are the decisions by those respective governments. So these are the governmental decisions. As soon both the governments agree, the flights are going to resume.
So any screening procedure that are being adopted as of now?
Yeah, we are for as far as latest SOP is concerned, only arriving passengers are being screened. Those who are having any temperatures which are beyond range, they are being dealt separately. So we do not have any such system wherein COVID test is mandatory. We are not going back to square one.